What's going on, guys? Forced Damien back with another video. I know you guys are wondering, Damien, where the video's been at? It's just that I recently quit my other job and I'm now working at a different job, so I'm picking up 10-hour shifts. This whole week I've been doing 12 hours, and yeah, it's been tough. Shout out to all the Amazon workers out there. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I did a few things to the GS and haven't been updating you guys about it, so this video will be kind of doing that and got a new part to put on. So let's check it out. So this is how the car looks sitting. I got some new wheels. I put a new fresh banner. Let me show you the inside. So here's the new wheels. These are some Whistler KR1s, 18 by 9.5. Really changed the look of the car. Huge difference. Let's do a walk around the car, and basically the same. It's just new wheels in the interior. Same tips. Yeah, let me show you guys the inside. JP injection produce pillows, all four. And yeah, that's basically much it. I have the pretzel thingy, whatever you call it, right here, but I haven't got a chance to install it because I've been caught up with work and I've just been doing nothing. Just sorry, got allergies. And just wake up early morning, go straight to work, hit up like 12 hours because it's Prime Week. But good thing yesterday was the last day. Yesterday was my Friday, so thank God. But hit it 12 hours, come straight home, eat, go to sleep around 9 or 10, wake up, same thing over and over. So now felt like today was the day to make another video, so let me show you guys. Boom. Black housing headlights. I think they're pretty much the same as OEM, but the inside is black housings. So I got these. You won't believe me when I say it. I got these for free from my team president because we have the same cars and he doesn't need it anymore, so he gave them to me. They're still pretty good condition, just gotta clean them down a little bit. Yeah. So here's how these look in the sunlight. Yeah, you can tell they're black housing in the sunlight. It's like black in the back. But yeah, let's try to see quick comparison. These are old ones. These don't fall. Yeah, they're a little bit like a tint to it. Yeah, so I was watching some YouTube videos on how to take the headlights out. I'm pretty sure it's just this bolt, and you gotta unplug all of this, the bulbs and everything. And I'm hoping you don't have to take off the bumper, but there should be 10 millimeters up here and 10 millimeters under here somewhere. I really don't want to take off the bumper, but we'll see what we run into. Alright, before we put the headlights on, I want to clean them down with some regular rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel. So let's do it. to wipe them down, shine a little bit more, and they look really good, honestly. Alright, so from what I've been told is that there's 10 millimeters on the top and should be some under the bumper, because I think you have to remove the bumper. I don't know, just so many stuff to take out the headlight. But first I'm just gonna take out the wiring from my headlight bulb, just so I don't want to pull anything when I yank the headlight out. So yeah, these are the, yours may look different because I'm running HIDs, but yeah. Should be able to just push and pull. Twist and pull everything up, alright? So I got my HID wiring out. So now let's check out the top 10 millimeter bolts. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna wing it. See, it's like a little bit wiggly. The other one on the right, that's precise. I always gotta keep the 10 millimeter bolts. Never know when you're gonna need it. It's a little bit wiggly, so I'm guessing I do have to take the headlights out. Let me set you guys down and figure this out. Get back to you. So there's a little update for you guys. So man, I went through like 20 minutes of taking a lot of unnecessary bolts out. But there's this one here. There's one 10 millimeter here, one here, same side, other side of me, 110 here, here, and earlier I tried yanking out the headlights without taking the bumper off, but it seems like I have to take the bumper off because a lot of screws still on here. So there's gonna be one here. See that? Yeah, 110 under the bumper, and there's one, I don't know if I could get it for you. There's one all the way back there. You guys see that hole right there? Not the green one, the one behind it. Yeah, that hole right there, that's another bolt to take out. Just to take out the bumper, then you should be able to, like, you know, rip it up a little bit. But I haven't took out the other side yet, so I have to start the car, turn the wheel to the other side, and look, I still have the black trim pieces, so it's gonna be annoying, but I'll get you guys updated when I take the bumper out. Alright, so we're on the driver's side. So like I was saying, this 10 millimeter this 10 millimeter under the bumper. Yeah, the hole right there, you gotta take that 10 millimeter out. And then don't forget to unplug your fog light because you don't want to rip it. The fog light's on the side right there, the gray piece. Then there's right here, this gold piece right there, that's another 10 you have to take out. And I would had to put the armor hat. Yeah, I would recommend using a at least 6-inch socket, extended socket. So I'm using this, all I have right now, and it's working, but it's a bitch, it's a struggle. So I recommend getting the extension tool to make your life easier. Alright, here's an update. Finally got the headlight out. So you do have to take up the bumper to access this bolt on the bottom right here that's connected to the fender. So yeah, you do actually take out the bumper. So I got this side bumper off, trying to get this side off. Got this screw in there out. I just need to get this bolt. It's literally sitting. See the gold thing right there? You gotta take that out. But what sucks is I don't have a extended socket. So I'm gonna try to move the start the car, turn the wheel the other way, and try to like get under there, because the other side I didn't have an extender, and I went like literally under the car to get that bolt out, and I'm gonna try the same for this side. So yeah, make sure you unplug your fog light and your side marker, just in case when you like pull on it, you don't want to rip it out. But this headlight is right there. So here's the old one, here's the new one. Bitch to take out. Look like I crashed or something. But yep, let's finish this up. Now after a couple hours later, finally done. And yes, my glasses broke during the process. But here's how they came out. So they do look a lot different, really different. So it came with some LED high beams, my regular blue lights, HID I put on. They actually look pretty good. It really changes the look a lot. This was a lot of work to do. I was expecting to get this done within like at least an hour, but it took more than that, because for these cars you have to take off the bumper to access the nut to take off the headlight. And yeah, that took a while because I had no idea what I was doing. I just asked a couple friends, shout out to Princeton, for helping me get this done, because he has new headlights for his car too. If you want to check him out, I'll tag his Instagram in this video somewhere. And yeah, they do look actually really good for what I paid, which is $0. Thank you, Glenn, for the headlights. They look amazing. Now I need to hopefully wrap this car a darker color so it can go with the headlights. And yeah, you're done with this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and we're gonna end this off with a cinematics.